Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 59 how to like a comment on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you sign into the account, go to your profile, and then from my other account, I will comment on a post. And now the comment has been made. If I go to my notifications, swipe down, and now we see the comment from my other account. Go to the photo itself. To like this comment, we can click the heart, one like by myself, go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.